You want the stick? Ready? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy.
There's a nose coming out. Bury the dog.
Fair. Let's say you come with me and have a nice, tasty treat. What do you think?
I don't know, it looks like he kind of likes it in there.
Okay. Cooper.
Weren't you supposed to jump over?